The JCB service organization has been wonderful to work with. Our regional reps have been very engaged and helped immediately with any issues that we've had. We get excellent parts support in North America and also from the UK with 24-hour parts availability and excellent response time. I am Zach Turner, President with Anderson Industrial Engines. I've been with the company since 2007. AIE has been an engine distributor since 1969. We represent 5 major engine brands in the central and western United States, including JCB. We were first attracted to the unique engine technology with JCB. They're the only engine on the market with no aftertreatment on their 74 horsepower solution, and they've got a great technology option up to 200 horsepower. We sell the JCB engines to a variety of different customers, from turf and sod harvesting to concrete pumps and irrigation pumps and generator sets. Most of the customers that we talk to are aware of the JCB brand, mostly from the equipment side. They're pleased to know that this is the engine that's run in the JCB equipment and that the service and support network is the same for their engines as they get on the JCB equipment. The JCB engine Tier 4 technology is a very simple, very compact arrangement. Its total package size on the engine keeps the installation size very small and gives us the ability to put that engine with the aftertreatment system mounted into very compact equipment. The JCB engine being a single-sided service really gives our customers an opportunity to provide easy access to all the service and filters for the engine on one side, to minimize the amount of panels and things that have to come off in order to work on the engine. JCB provides great upfront engineering documentation, so we have access to most of the information we need to complete the installation right out of the gate. We don't have to go ask a whole bunch of questions. For things that are not so clear or where we do have to ask questions, they provide a great and fast response to our engineering team. The engineering support has been excellent. We can always get somebody on the phone or on an email with a quick response, and they're very technically knowledgeable. They've got answers for all of our questions right out of the gate, and so we get along very well with the engineering staff. The JCB engine warranty being unlimited hours for the first 2 years is unique to the industry, especially for customers that see a lot of heavy usage in the initial lifetime of their machine. It's been a huge benefit to those customers. When we're working with OEM customers, they're building equipment in North America, but that equipment's being sold all over the world. JCB being a global brand gives them some peace of mind that they're going to be able to get coverage and support for that engine no matter where it goes in the world.